This part of the test will measure your writing ability in an academic environment. It will last around 30 minutes. You will write 2 responses. In the first task, which is called an integrated question, you will read a passage and then listen to a lecture. After that, you will answer a question based on what you read and heard. In the second task, which is called an academic discussion question, a professor will ask a question that you need to answer. Writing Task 1, Integrated Question. For this task, you will read a passage, and then hear a lecture about an academic topic. You will have 3 minutes to read the passage. You may take notes during the reading and the listening. The reading passage will be shown again during the time when you are supposed to write, but you will listen to the lecture only once. You will have 20 minutes to write your response. Effective responses are usually between 150 to 225 words. You have 3 minutes to read. Start reading now. Now listen to the lecture.
I want to talk about a popular notion that air conditioners have a very good impact on our lives. They are often cited as having positive effects on productivity, sleep quality, and air quality. There are, however, many arguments that refute these claims and highlight the possible negative effects of air conditioners. First, there is a controversy about the claim that air conditioners enhance air quality. Although these systems do include filters that may capture pollutants, frequent usage can lead to inadequate ventilation and indoor air pollution. When air conditioners are operating, Windows and doors are often closed, which limits the ability for fresh air to flow and causes a buildup of pollutants. Furthermore, dangerous germs and fungus may build up and circulate in the air if the air conditioning system is not frequently and thoroughly maintained. The claim that using an air conditioner increases productivity is likewise debatable. Comfortable temperatures may help people concentrate, but the artificial chilly atmosphere produced by air conditioners can promote thermal discomfort, increasing restlessness and decreasing productivity. The abrupt change in temperature from a hot outside environment to a cool inside one may result in physical pain, lethargy, and sometimes even diseases like the common cold that can reduce productivity. Let's examine the assertion that air conditioners improve sleep quality last. It's true that a cooler atmosphere may help you sleep, but the persistent hum of an air conditioner can also annoy you at night and cause sleep problems. These appliances' excessively dry air may make breathing difficult, which often interrupts sleep. Additionally, when forced to sleep in a space without air conditioning, a person's need on it for comfortable sleep may become an issue. It is crucial to critically assess the alleged advantages of air conditioners to sum up. They obviously provide some amount of comfort, but they also have serious drawbacks that may harm our health, productivity, and sleep.
Summarize the points made in the lecture, being sure to explain how they cast doubt on specific points made in the reading passage. You have 20 minutes to write. Start writing now.
The first paragraph serves as a solid introduction, presenting an overview of the contradicting perspectives and foreshadowing the examination of specific points of divergence. It not only summarizes the main points, but also sets the tone for the subsequent paragraphs, creating a smooth transition into the body of the essay. The second paragraph focuses on the first point of contention, air quality. It effectively juxtaposes the arguments from the passage and the lecture, providing a balanced comparison. The paragraph is concise, yet it adequately explains how the lecture contradicts the passage's view. It does not just state the contradiction, but further details how air conditioning can lead to poor ventilation and harmful indoor air pollution. In the third paragraph, the essay addresses the second point, productivity. It carefully highlights the contradiction by first revisiting the claim made in the passage and then presenting the opposing view from the lecture. The writer uses compelling evidence from the lecture to refute the original passage's claim, demonstrating a good understanding of the material. The final body paragraph discusses the third point, sleep quality. It continues the trend of comparing and contrasting views with a clear explanation of the lecture's counter-argument. By bringing up issues like the noise and dry air from air conditioning units, the essay successfully presents a nuanced perspective on the topic. In conclusion, this essay excels due to its logical structure, concise arguments, and effective use of information from both the original passage and the lecture. It addresses each point of contradiction separately in its own paragraph, providing clarity and making the essay easy to follow. It's a well-rounded response that critically evaluates both sides of the discussion on the benefits and drawbacks of air conditioners.
In this task, you will need to answer a question posed by a professor. You will also be able to see how 2 other students answered it. You will have 10 minutes to write your response. Effective responses will have at least 100 words.
This response is a good one because it presents a clear and reasoned opinion on the topic of smartphones' impact on society. By taking a stance in favor of smartphones, it acknowledges the various benefits they bring to our lives. The response highlights the positive aspects, such as fostering creativity, enabling global connectivity, and streaming daily tasks. Furthermore, it recognizes the potential of smartphones to serve as vital tools in times of crisis, demonstrating an understanding of their utility beyond everyday convenience. The response is well balanced, acknowledging both the advantages and the need for proactive measures to mitigate any negative consequences. By presenting a cohesive argument in support of smartphones, it contributes to the discussion and adds depth to the conversation surrounding their impact on human society.